prayer to Jesus for healing and restoration. Dear Jesus, you see my pain physically, emotionally, and spiritually. I ask you now for your healing touch. Heal my body, calm my mind, and renew my heart. Only you can restore what's broken and bring new life to what feels lost. I believe you are the great physician, and with just one word, you can make me whole. Help me to trust in your timing and hold on to your promises. No matter how I feel, I choose to believe you are working all things together for my good. Thank you for your love and your power to heal. Amen.